Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your gallery, standard application on this Samsung, and then choose your photos. Press and hold and select, for example, these two photos. Then on the bottom right corner we got more option, tap it and choose move to secure folder. Now we need activate your secure folder, so press continue. Permission to secure folder, continue one more time. And now wait a second for creating a secure folder. And now need for example access to not access security, setup security password, so maybe pattern, use maybe this one, press continue and to confirm one more time and press continue. Now need open, continue and one more time. And now let's try again. Press and hold. Okay. Photos already moved to our secure folder. So then go back, open our application list in this phone and go into our secure folder. Open, not apps, okay. Okay, so choose gallery. And how you can see here we got our two photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.